Hey everybody, in today's video, the 124 scale Bronco is taking on the abandoned crawler course. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm taking the Bronco for a little rip. I'll show you guys what I've done to it so far. Just two free, simple things. All I did was I switched the lights around. So you can choose if you want your bumper lights rather than the headlights, because to me that kind of makes more sense. Those lights look really good. Now I can choose if I want like essentially my pod lights like you would in real off-road. And also all I did was move this bumper back to the furthest point. So we might be seeing a little bit of rubbing. Also, I got a rear light kit ordered and brass diff covers ordered. So 2 more mods coming up for the Bronco here. I'm super excited for those. But today we're gonna be ripping up the course. I'll show you guys the course here. It's super overgrown. So it looks like a freaking jungle, which does look kind of cool in some areas. It's just a bunch of weeds here. I'm definitely gonna be going through it and ripping weeds out after this run. For now, it looks kind of cool. Looks overgrown. Adds a little bit of scenery to this trek. Let's get to it. Oh guys, I'm actually really impressed with that run, especially that part there. That was, I'm driving with one hand as well, but that was impressive. The fact that it didn't roll, that's crazy. That's pretty capable for a hard body, to be honest. You just really have to watch your lines, but I'm impressed with that. it rolls pretty easily. I'm really hoping for that brass mod to show up. Nice save. Oh, quick interruption here, guys. This track is really difficult. I designed it for my like fully modified deadbolt. That's not scale at all, strictly meant for crawling. That's what this track's designed for. So I didn't have this when I built the track, so it is cool to see it being pushed to its limits. As you can see, it does roll a lot. So make sure you guys subscribe so we can check out the brass mod coming up in a few videos here. Okay guys, that is going to do it for this video. Stay tuned for the diff covers and the rear lights. And for this guy, we also got some hexes to widen the stance a bit. And we got a new light bar. Happy for the mods to come, guys. Make sure you stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I think the Bronco did pretty good for being stock, basically. I'm really happy with it. I love the feel of it. It just feels like a real vehicle in such a small scale, so that is really cool. But thank you guys again. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.